Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you the new format column feature we have in modern SharePoint Online Lists and Libraries. For doing this, this is a modern SharePoint Online site where I have a custom list that I'm going to customize using the new format column feature. So I'm going to click on the speakers list. This is the list I want to customize. And as you can see here, the list is indeed already customized, but using the old technique, which means I'm using just JSON to customize the session quality column and also the number of session column. So if I click here on the column name, I can click then on column settings and then inform this column. And as you can see here, I'm applying a custom JSON for formatting this column. So I have different colors depending on the value and also different icons. But what I can do now is just to switch to design mode, what means I'm not going to use the JSON technique anymore. I'm going to use Visual Designer to customize my SharePoint Online list columns and also the document library columns. So I can go and click on switch, but as you can see before, I can download the JSON. I can open this JSON file, for instance, using the notepad. And as you can see here, this is the JSON that is generated by this dialog. Fine. And then I can click on switch. And as you can see here, I have a default template that I can apply to the column. And this actually, I think, is based on the theme I have for this site. For instance, I can click on change the look. Not actually it's based on the theme, but yeah, it's mostly the same theme. Anyway, I can click here, so the default background colors are applied to each value of the column, depending on the value of the column. But what I can do is also is to click on Edit Template, and I can choose the colors to be used depending on the value. So in this case, very good is blue, but I'm going to change this to use a green color. So it actually is changing for these two records. And then if I have a neutral value, and as you can see here, what I'm doing is just applying conditional formatting. I'm going to use light gray, and for bad, I'm going to use yellow, and for very bad, I'm going to use red. So as you can see here, the kind of customization that we can do currently using this Visual Designer is just to change the background color of the cell for every record in the list. We cannot do anything else, what means we cannot apply or we cannot add a custom icon or any other kind of customization, just change the background color. And again, I can revert to the default style and can click on apply. I can click again on the format this column option, and I can go to advanced mode, what means I'm also seeing the JSON that is being generated automatically by the Visual Designer. And obviously this is just a JSON that is generated by the designer, and I can see the structure of the JSON. I can even modify and stop using the Visual Designer and go back to use this option of applying customization using the JSON. And that's all. I hope you have found this video interesting. Of course, I'm going to revert back my changes because I was more happy with the other customization I have in place. So I can't delete the JSON generated by the Visual Designer and come back to my custom JSON. Click on Save, and yeah, I'm back to my previous state in regards of customizing this column. And yeah, now that's all. I hope you have found this video interesting, and yeah, talk to you soon. Bye bye.